Them said you need reggae music of the one. A big sound is a playing, Lordy Lord, and everyone keep dancing all night long. Girls are enticing, Lordy Lord, Lord, yes, look so inviting, and I need one, Lord, yes. So you will need rub-a-dubbing on the lawn. Whoa, yeah. You will need sweet reggae music of the one. Well, watch your passes out to England, and the one them from America. Even those from Japan enjoying themselves. Did you hear what I say? Watch the one them out of Germany, and the one them out of Canada. Even those in Somalia enjoying themselves. They singing out, don't you need rub-a-dubbing on the lawn. Whoa, yeah. You need sweet reggae music of the one.
Back into the times we shared, yeah. Memories in my mind, here and there. I try to show you how much I care, and I'll always love you, baby, anyway. But you say that it's over, over and done, over and done. While I've been sitting by my doorstep crying, wondering why you've been cheating. Sitting on my doorstep crying, wondering why you're leaving, leaving me, leaving me, leaving me, leaving me. Oh yeah, sitting on my doorstep crying, wondering why you've been cheating. Sitting on my doorstep crying, wondering why you're leaving, leaving me. Ooh, oh yeah. Have I ever been untrue to you? 'Cause if I did, please baby just let me know. I'll try and show you I love you as much as I can. I'll always baby love you so. But you said that it's over, over and done, over and done. While I've been sitting on my doorstep crying, wondering why you've been cheating. Sitting on my doorstep crying, wondering why you're leaving, leaving me, me, leaving me, leaving me, yeah, yeah.
It sounds so sweet on the line. just living out my fantasy. Talking love with my mind.
Telephone love.
You sound so sweet on the line.
Telephone love.
You make my day every time. Yeah.
Telephone love.
You sound so sweet on the line.
Telephone love.
You make my day every time.
Telephone love. Telephone love. Telephone love. Telephone love. Telephone love.
You sound so sweet on the line.
Telephone love.
You make my day every time. Yeah.
Telephone love.
You sound so sweet on the line.
Telephone love.
You make my day every time. Whatever you do, don't hang up, don't hang up. Just keep pouring it out till you fill my cup. I'm lost in you whenever you speak. Hey, when you call my name, I feel so weak.
Telephone love.
You sound so sweet on the line.
Telephone love.
You make my
Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul, or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul, or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. You and your fancy makeup, to me it doesn't mean too much. It's no more than a fleeting attraction, and your way of seeking attention. So oftentimes you make me displeased, wearing your dress way above your knees, wondering if you'll be coming back home, or I will be the one to be all alone. So tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul, or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul, or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. I don't have no time to waste, I need more than a pretty face. I don't have no time to lose, so many men come pick and choose. Have a little shame and stop playing those dirty games. Have a little pride, yeah. So tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul, or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul, or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Oh no, no. La 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 lovers rush, lovers rush, lovers rush, la 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 lovers rush, la lovers rush. Lovers rush, la 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 lovers rush, la 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 la. No devil love, no devil love, no. It's because the love of God, why you don't become a murderer? It's because the love of God, why you don't become a slaughterer? It's because the love of God, why I have to love my brothers and my sisters. Because the love of God, why I have to love one another. Yeah. I can be good, can be good, can be bad. I can be bad, but the greatest thing to me is to know the true and living God. Every man have a life to live, but
But if you choose to live the wrong way, then you will cast in the bottomless pit. It's because the love of Jah, why you don't become a murderer. It's because the love of Jah, why you don't become a slaughterer. It's because the love of Jah, why I have to love my brothers and my sisters. Because the love of Jah, why I have to love one another. Yeah. What was hidden in the sight of man is behold by the Almighty One. How far you think you can run? Jah is faster than the bullet from a gun. It's because the love of Jah, the love of Jah, the love of Jah. It's because the love of Jah, the love of Jah, the love of Jah. No devil love, no, no devil love. No devil love, no, no devil love, no. Hey, I can be good and I can be bad, but the greatest thing to me is to know the true and living God. Every man have a life to live, but there is a right way to live it. And if you choose to go the wrong way, then you will cast in the bottomless pit. It's because the love of Jah, why you don't become a murderer. It's because the love of Jah, why you don't become a slaughterer. For there is no love without the love of Jah. No, oh no. There is no love, no, without the love of Jah. Yeah, hey, it's because the love of Jah, the love of Jah, the love of Jah. Hear me out, whoa, well, hear me out, yeah. Look now, people, hear me out, yeah. Oh God, yes. Who made the birds and the bees, sky and the sea? You and me will. Who made the moon and the stars, all creatures great and small? Jah who made them all. Till one take pride in destroying each other, living like savage every day. Ignorance in the spirit is holding us down, but what goes up, I know it must come down. 'Cause tribal war won't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Hate and grudge can't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Oh yeah. Wanna make note of the issues affecting my people, leading them to evil. Hate and grudge, despise and dishonesty. Tell you that's not the way we wanna be. Wanna bring back the days when your love was down on earth. Wanna bring back those days when the heart of man was purged. What we need is love to guide us along the way. It don't matter what they say, I know tribal war can solve the problem. Only love of the heart can solve it. Tribal war won't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve it. Fire upon a weak heart, Babylon and the free talk could have never get me down. And though they tried to use me,
and abuse me. I leave them with the frown. Me burn a fire pan a week at Babylon and the free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with the frown. The work goes for so long on them plantation, and me never get paid. Or gold they stole away, how many life them slay. Now them works and slap them in them face. Why are yes, you are you cook and go to well. Cause after we know under you colonial spell, and all those false doctrine that you compel. Hey, and all those books you stole away, all those kids you led astray. Wait on your judgment day. Bobby wrong, me burn a fire pan a week at Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with a frown. Me burn a fire pan a week at Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with a frown. See ya, get to youth me, I beg you be wise. Cause pirates them we strike by night. I want come trick you with them black and white. Whoa Lord, hey. But be careful what you sign, cause some things get you victimized, and it will get you paranoid. So burn them out, fire burn a week at Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. And though they try to use me and abuse me, I leave them with the frown. You burn a fire pan a week at Babylon and them free talk coulda never get me down. I know they try to use me.
Words of my father, retreat, wicked men of Babylon, surrender. Oh Lord, retreat, wicked men of Babylon, surrender. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon, surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon, surrender. Set my people free, you're in great danger. You show no mercy, and so you're gonna suffer. The troubles are great, but remember you're gonna pay. Can't you feel the Father's vengeance just ready to melt you like butter? Retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. Oh Lord, retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. Retreat, wicked man of Boagan, surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. Practicing evil for so long, God knows, thinking you've succeeded, but no, you're wrong. Your wicked devices gonna break your neck. The cry of my people's soul shall stop your breath. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. Oh Lord, retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. How long do you think the Father would sit and let you use his children to fulfill your desire? Now the time has come, we're gonna set your soul on fire, on fire. Oh well, oh Lord, retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. Oh yes, retreat, wicked man of Babylon, surrender. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon.
What did you say? What do you say?
What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family, yeah. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family, yeah. How could you not love the man who created you? Heaven and earth and all that dwell therein, and that is bigger than sin. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family, yeah. What did you say? You don't honor the king. But blessed be the king who cometh in the name of the Lord. Sorry you can't cross him because he's wider than broad. You can't get over him cause he's the highest. You can't get under him, he's deeper than the deepest sea. Jah is without ending. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family, yeah. What did you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family. Light of the world is he, King of Zion, power of the Holy Trinity, and he shall hold the hands of his enemies. As wax melted before the fire, so shall they perish at the presence of Jah. What do you say? You don't love Haile Selassie. Fire gonna burn you and your family, yeah. What did you say? You don't honor the king.
Yo, yes, oh, come on, cleanliness, godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you rest. Your atmosphere is highest. Cleanliness, godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you rest. Your atmosphere is highest. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Rise and shine. Rise, mankind is. Every day you sit down and complain, still your life remains the same, yes. You hoping that things will work out fine, still living way out of line. There's so many things that you could do, whoa. Still you sit around in school. But I said rise and shine, rise, mankind, cleanliness, godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you rest. Your atmosphere is high, cleanliness, godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you rest. Your atmosphere is high. If you wanna make it in this life, it's a simple word of advice. Don't think yourself too big inside. To do the little things to make life right, like cleaning your surroundings from home to school, living your life abiding by Jah rule. Why won't you rise and shine? Rise, mankind. Cleanliness is godliness, righteousness, manifest, clean the place where you say no time to this Gideon, to this dispensation, till I manifest upon creation. Jah is my light and my salvation. He is my guidance and protection. To you shall I fear. He is my rock and my foundation. He is the one of my salvation. is the holy man. Yeah.
Report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. Passed by your house this morning at 2:45, but you were there, no way to welcome me. I'm taking this matter seriously, so make sure you get in touch with me. After you read this note, then you know this ain't no joke, so report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. Yesterday you were a student of my class. Thought you were happy under my supervision, but you're moving too fast. What kind of life are you living? Whose example are you following? Be careful, this is your final warning. So, report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. I've had my doubts and my suspicions. You are always full with explanations. I'm saying this just for your own good. Maintain respect in your neighborhood and report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. Give me a warning. Report to me. It's just for your own good. Report to me. Got to maintain, yeah. Report to me. Respect in your neighborhood. Love. Report to me. Open your eyes. Report to me. I was so surprised. Report to me. After 3, there was no one to welcome me. Report to me. Love. Report to me. Take heed.
Your battle is hot, but my victory is sweeter. So don't aggravate my temper, show respect to your elder. Oh, mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. And walk come test me. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. And walk come test me. Or we come up, rude boy, have strength in a posse. And when I catch you alone, you are nobody. Your life could be long, but you're careless with it. Humble yourself, don't push it. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. And walk come test me. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. And walk come test me.
Try something. A change has got to come one day, whether it be sooner or later. You should not really live this way, making mischief every day. Wild business don't work again. Run one I tell you, friend. Get up every day with same old time living. I'm telling you, young man, you better try something. Hey, shut out the pants, you a ragamuffin. Boot pound foot, 1, 2 shoestring. Standing on the roadside, girls watching. Wonder if you would think this is a real thing. Same old time living. I'm telling you, young man, you better try something. The future lies ahead, my friend. There is no shortcut to real success. So turn around and come again and put away your old problem. Standing on the roadside, girls watching. Wonder if you think this is the real thing. Wild business don't work again. No way. Run one I tell you, friend. Get up every day. Bodyguard, Mr. Bodyguard. Who's gonna bodyguard, Mr. Bodyguard? Who's gonna bodyguard, Mr. Bodyguard? 'Cause I'm on a one of me yard. No one could claim to them on me yard, on me yard. dread. Dread and dread. Everyone looking a place to hide him at. Dread, dread. Who's on a bodyguard? Mr. Bodyguard. Who's on a bodyguard? Mr. Bodyguard. You coulda come with your bat. You coulda come with your gun. One thing I know for sure, when your fun I go done. Now you're living in a glass house. Remember you were throwing stones. If you never knew, boy, they'll be falling on your home. Who's gonna bodyguard you, Mr. Bodyguard? Who's gonna bodyguard you, Mr. Bodyguard? All who claim say them a chief of staff, yeah, who? One of these days them a fit choke off, don't a walk. And all who claim them not run away, no. Now them gone in exile in the US of A. Now they want to get out. Who's gonna bodyguard you, Mr. Bodyguard? Who's gonna bodyguard you, Mr. Bodyguard? Who's gonna bodyguard you? When we come it is stress. Might as well you dump the rest. When we come it is stress. Oh yes, might as well you dump the rest, yes. There you go again, talking off your face, like you want to out-talk me. Point your finger and you can't tie a lace. This I want the eye to see. Oh yes, when we come in it's stress. Might as well you dump the rest. Oh yes, when we come in it's stress. Might as well you dump the rest, yes. Oh yes, 'cause you get your own from society. You think you're bigger than large. Since you want to live my life for me, take a broom and sweep my yard. Oh yes, now we're coming in stress. Might as well you dump the rest, yes. Oh yes, now we're coming in stress. Might as well you dump the rest, yes. God Almighty, stress. Fuss about what's wrong with them. Don't they want to respect this? We don't come to town, we aim to claim. All my dues are in your chest. Oh yes, now we're coming, it's stress. Might as well you dump the rest. Oh yes, now we're coming in stress. Oh yes, might as well.
Now give me none of that blinking something.
No crack, no coke, me no want at a heroin. No give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me. It make you don't feel the body, do anything just to get it. You beat your baby mother, take away the house money too. One lick a sniff on the car gone. My next lick on the house gone. Another lick on the store gone. You are crazy, you gotta be crazy. You gotta be crazy, what you do to your body. Oh, you're crazy, you gotta be crazy. You gotta be crazy, what you do to your body. Hey, as I pick that paper up, I see this headline again. Youth and youth man out their mind because of blinking cocaine. And the drugs and all the heroin, the needle they use. They may think they win, but in the end I said that they lose. Hey, don't give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me system. No crack, no coke, me no want at the heroin. Them the thing, they no good for me. Life road may seem so rugged and but maybe stiff. I man do not need a spliff and I man don't need a stiff. My faith in God may small and even be a mustard seed. That move the highest mountain, that's what the pinchers need. Eh? Don't give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me. Don't give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me. You are crazy, gotta be crazy. Gotta be crazy what you do to your body. Oh, you're crazy, gotta be crazy. Yeah. Crazy what you do to your body. There was a rich man, a big man, live up on a hilltop with enough car, enough house and a lot of cash. Rich man, big man that live up on a hilltop. Now he was living in a shack because of crack. Now give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me system. No crack, no coke, me no want at the heroin. Them the thing, they no good for me. There was a smart youth, a school youth with enough intelligence, but full of friends and take wrong influence. I know that youth has becoming a nuisance because it's hook up on a crack. Hell, listen that. No give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me system. No crack, no coke, me no want at the heroin. Them the thing, they no good for me. Man, I want, man, I want. No give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me system. No crack, no coke, me no want at the heroin. Them the thing, they no good for me. It make you don't feel the body, do anything just to get it. You beat your baby mother, take away the house money too. One lick a sniff on the car gone. Another lick on the house gone. Another lick on the store gone. There was a poor youth, a shabby youth, living in the ghetto. Can't find a first cent to purchase a piece of dough, but he find no money to purchase a bag of snow. I know he's hook up on a crack. Yeah, listen that. No give me none of that blinking something. Them the thing, they no good for me. No give me none of that blinking something.
Even though I just have first fly out, one shows steer up rock around the road. This is one Jamaican in a foreign. Me nah left ya till me have something. Me nah coke no rock, nah smoke no crack. No one me bridging them say me turn dead stop. Me nah follow no punk and go eat no junk. Me want pack up dollars in a one big chunk. Then me ship it a yard and a some me get large. The massive them matter but on me big and broad. This is one Jamaican in a foreign. Me nah left ya till me have something. Me nah dep on no corner with no idle chat. Because me come a foreign fi make some cash. It says one Jamaican in a foreign. Me nah left ya till me have something. Say me come on vacation or me scraping. Cause when me go a yard is a different thing. Just greet me brethren, greet me sister. And after that me peel off a little thing. They say hear me brethren, hear me sister. Foreign life I know no easy something. This is one Jamaican who go a foreign. I mean no left ya till me have something. Me no cook no rock, me no smoke no cook. Me couldn't make me brethren them down a yard here. That me nah follow no punk and go eat no junk. Me want pack up dollars in a one big chunk. Even though I just we first fly out, one pants dirty foot a him run the route. Even though I just our first fly out, one shoes tear up frack she run the route. Why? The juggling steep all over. The juggling steep all over. This is one Jamaican in a foreign. Me nah left ya till me have something. Me nah jump on no block with no idle chat. Cause every 5 minutes pure rat-a-tat-tat. Me no know if a road boy or rock up When me look around, everybody get flat. This is one Jamaican in a foreign. Me nah left ya till me have something. You know fi done no snitch, just fi get rich. Cause later on you might end up 6'6". Enough get rich, then them switch. All them achieve with a pretty casket. This is one Jamaican in a foreign. Me nah left ya till me have something. Me nah cook no rock, nah smoke no crack. Now I'm bridging them say me turn dead. Me nah follow no punk.
She herself pure gal. Pure gal, she herself pure gal.
Yeah,
she's a trickster,
and I don't like her style. She only looks like a disciplined child,
but a trickster.
Whoa, 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 yeah. Sell me pure girl all the while. I've been watching her movements lately, and believe me, it doesn't please me. Every time she a brag on, she was say she's the queen of the dance of Pacific.
What a trickster,
and I don't like her style. She only looks like a disciplined child,
but a trickster.
Whoa, 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 yeah. Sell me pure girl all the while. When I call her on the phone, she's never home. She's so hard to find. If I should take her seriously, I know she'd blow my mind.
What a trickster,
and I don't like her style. She only looks like a disciplined child.
What a trickster.
Whoa, 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 yeah. Sell me pure girl all the while.
Pure, she gets it pure. 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 Pure, she gets it pure.
She's a trickster, and I don't like her style. She only looks like a disciplined child. What a trickster. Whoa, 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 yeah. Sell me pure girl all the while. She looks good and she's dressed real fancy.
Kill you with it. I'm gonna kill you with it. Boy, thrill you with it. I'm gonna thrill you with it. Boy, champion lover, know he's up tonight. Well, champion lover, gonna make you feel alright. Whoa, champion lover, know he's up tonight. Well, champion lover, gonna make you feel alright. Whoa, I'm not gonna take it easy. You won't get away tonight. The vibe that's flowing through me makes me feel so right. You say you're full up of action. Now is your chance to show me emotion. I've waited so long. You better come on strong, strong. Drill you with it. I'm gonna drill you with it. Boy, kill you with it. I'm gonna kill you with it. Boy, champion lover, know he's up tonight. Well, champion lover, gonna make you feel alright. Whoa, champion lover, know he's to show me emotion. I've waited so long. You better come on strong, strong. Drill you with it. I wanna kill you with it. Ooh, kill you with it. Ooh, 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 yeah. I wanna kill you with it. Why? Champion lover, no reason.
Everybody, we need peace and love all the time. Oh, oh, oh. And we don't want a miserable woman. Say we don't want a miserable woman. Hey, come see me living my humble life. Say you wanna make the sacrifice. Got to get used to my humble style. Cause I'm working hard day and night. And we don't want a miserable woman. Boy, we don't want a miserable woman. Say we don't want a miserable woman to mash up this plan. We don't want a miserable woman. Boy, we don't want a miserable woman. See, I'll give you all that you hope for. I'll try to do my best. But when it all comes down to the test, I want peace and love all the time. We don't want a miserable woman to mash up this plan. We don't want a miserable woman. Whoa, we don't want a miserable woman. We don't want a miserable woman. Whoa. Take your time and settle down, darling. Please take it slow. Good things always come to those who wait the most. So we don't want a miserable woman to mash up this plan. We don't want a miserable woman. We don't want a miserable woman. Things should be fine all the time. We don't want a miserable woman. Whoa, you come see me living my humble life. Say you wanna make the sacrifice. Got to get used to my humble stand. Cause I have pulled out of this dive. I've got this brand new attitude.
Now I'm back in control. My love is gaining altitude.
Suddenly I'm dancing to a brand new rhythm, a feeling that has set me free. I don't force the smiles, they all have meaning. Something has changed in me.
You're not as happy as you want to be.
I'm not as unhappy as when you left.
You're not as happy as you want to be. I'm not as unhappy as when you left me. You're not as happy as you want to be.
I'm happier than before.
If you could see me now, you wouldn't believe the changes that's come over me.
It may be premature, but it seems I've gotten over the hurt, the pain and misery. Suddenly I've got this brand new feeling. I'm in a state of ecstasy. Everything around me has new meaning. Something has changed in me.
You're not as happy as you want to be.
I'm not as unhappy as when you left.
You're not as happy as you want to be. I'm not as unhappy as when you left me.
You're not as happy as you want to be.
I'm not as unhappy as before.
You're not as happy as you want to be.
Whoa, 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 yeah.
to tell me, girl, that your love is true. Just come on and hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, baby. I know what to do. And if your love is right, girl, I'm gonna love you through the night. If you have to tell me, girl, whisper gently in my ear. Come on and tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, baby. I'll know what to do. And if your love is right, I'm gonna love you through the night. If you have to tell me, girl, whisper gently in my ear. And come on and tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, baby. I'll know what to do. 'Cause if your love is right, yeah, I'm gonna love you through the night. You don't have to tell me, girl, that your love is true. Just come on and hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, baby. I'll know what to do. 'Cause if your love is right, girl, I'm gonna love you through the night. Hold me, baby.
You're ever faithful and true. Oh, Jaja, stand by, Jaja. Please, Jaja. The more they keep talking, all kinds of questions they're asking. They got my life on the curfew, but I know Jah will see me through. He will see me through. Yeah. I say a prayer in the morning, another prayer in the evening. Jah, for you it's city time, for I know you will see me through. Yes, you will see me through. Just because I look ordinary, they all think they can scare me. Let them try till their knees get weary. I won't worry 'cause I know you'll spare me. You will see me through. I know you'll see me. You always see me through. I know you see me. I know I'm not guilty. Why do you persecute me? I know I've done you no wrong. I'm here just barely hanging on for Jah to see me through. Yes, He will see me through. Yeah. A better mind how you judge me. Clear your beams and you'll see. If you're so clean, cast the first stone. If you can't, just leave me alone and Jah will see me through. Yes, He will see me through. Just because I look ordinary, they all think they can scare me. Let them try till their knees get weary. I won't worry 'cause I know you'll spare me and you will see me through. I know you'll see me through. Yeah. This is much too much for me
the curfew, but I know Jah will see me through. Yes, He will see me through. I know He'll see me through. Just because I look ordinary, they all think they can scare me. Let them try till the knees get weary. I won't worry 'cause I know you'll spare me and you will see me through. Yes, you will see me through. I know you'll see me through.
Yes, when I call on Him, He will hear my supplication. He is my rock and my salvation. Oh yes, I do, every minute, every second, every hour. I do, that's why I chant my psalm and sing my prayer. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, every minute, every second, every hour. With all the wonders He has done upon this creation, from the rising of the sun until it goeth down. I will lift my voice to Him, the one who rules eternally. He's my master and my king. He is my destiny. Yes, on Him I can depend in every little thing. He is willing to defend my soul from every sin. So I do, every minute, every second, every hour.
Bless our very souls, yes, yes. There must be a just reward for those who work hard for the Almighty. Jah, thrive with those who thrive with Thee, yes, yes. Even when the children may seem outnumbered, a good over evil every time. Yeah. Oh, yes. And even when you see that the flock is scattered, it's I and I save mankind. I see the wicked spread themselves like a big bay tree, soon to be cut down and then cast away. Why do the heathen rage from day to day, trying to stop the children from giving Jah the praise? And though they fight, they're only fighting in vain. 'Cause by right, Jah children to rule and reign. Even though they seem outnumbered, it's good over evil every time. And even when the flock they seem all scattered, is I and I save mankind. Oh, who's got eyes and let him see? rough, remember that I and I will never give up. Gonna put I and I in the fire, like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. And I will never get burned, 'cause Jah is with I. So I will rise and manifest love and righteousness. Oh, oh, la, 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 la. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, and you should know. It is better to be poor and simple, and your conscience sets you free, than to be rich and living in agony. No. It is better to be poor and simple, and your mind is free, than to sell your souls for vanity. Lord, some all they want is silver and gold. Yeah. Diamonds and pearls, the things of this world. Oh Lord, they'll do anything, they'll say anything, just to live the life of a king. Yes, but it's better to be poor and simple, and your conscience sets you free, than to be rich and living in agony. Yes, Lord, it is better to be poor and simple, and your mind is free, than to sell your souls for vanity. Oh Lord, I know, I know, I know, I know, and you should know, you should know. Some sell them ice and some sell them crack. Oh gosh, and turn other human beings in an idiot. Yes, Lord. Some sell them crack and sell them cocaine. Oh gosh, again, and drive the younger youths insane. Yeah, they're blind and cannot see. What will their answer be when they are face to face with destiny? Oh Lord, yes, it's better to be poor and simple, and your conscience sets you free, than to be rich and living in agony.
Keep it up. Keep it up right and left. Keep it up east and west. Keep it up north and south. You know what I'm talking about. Hit them from within and you hit them from without. Hit them a yard and you hit them abroad. Pull out the trade and you pull out the blade. Now they see who is afraid. Keep up the pressure and motor. Keep it up. Keep up the pressure and the pressure. Keep it up. They can't get over it. They can't get under it. South Africa must be free, like the Statue of Liberty. Hit them with the right and you hit them with the left. Now we gonna see who will stand the test. Hit them with the battle and the licking stick. Hit them up hard and lick them up quick, quick. Keep up the pressure and motor. Keep it up. Keep up the pressure and the pressure. Keep it up.
pressure and water. Keep it up. Keep up the pressure and oppressor. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Give me good love when I need it. Give me good love when I want it. Give me good love when I need it.
I've been blue, feeling down and out. Then you came into view. Lord, you showed me how to live without a doubt. I give many thanks to you.
Thank you.
Every tick of the clock,
Thank you.
you gave me loving non-stop.
Thank you.
Day by day, you give loving every way. Though my heart has been hurt so bad, you came along and you mended. So my life has been oh so sad. With sweet loving you did fix it. I've been hurt, my true feeling I did try to hide. You restored my faith and pride. Lord, heart to heart, my darling, you brought me back to life. Your honesty gave me peace of mind.
Thank you.
Every tick of the clock,
Thank you.
you gave loving non-stop.
Thank you.
Day by day,
Thank you.
you give loving every way. All my life I'm gonna give to you. Only you God deserve it. You touch my soul with the love so true. To you goes all the credit. So glad you're mine. I could never want for more. You and I are doing fine. Heart to heart will beat as one through the pages of time. Our love will climb the highest peak. Lord,
Thank you.
every tick of the clock,
Thank you.
you gave loving non-stop.
Thank you.
Day by day, you gave love in every way. Lord,
Give me good love when I want it. Give me
I
good
always
love
thank
when I need it. Turn around, turn around, turn around.
turn you right around, 'cause I don't really want to break your heart another day. Love can be unkind, and I don't really need to take your lonely heart away. No, not because I smile don't mean I love you. Not because I'm kind don't really say. Not because I'm good don't mean I need you. Turn your heart another way. Oh, turn you right around, 'cause I don't really want to break your heart another day. No, love can be unkind, and I don't really need to take your lonely heart away. Lord,
Not because I smile, don't mean I love you. Not because I'm kind, don't
Lord,
mean
Lord,
I say.
Lord. Not because I smile don't mean I love you. Not because I'm kind don't mean I care. No, not because I'm good don't mean I need you. So turn your heart another way,
My foolish
girl.
heart.
Turn you right around, but I don't really want to break your heart another day. Lord, love can be unkind, and I don't really need to take your lonely heart away. Oh no, no,
Not because I smile, don't mean
I don't want to do
love
it.
you.
Come, let us
Not
get
because I'm kind, don't really say.
Turn you right around.
Good, don't mean I need
Turn
you.
you right around, yeah. I don't wanna let you down.
Turn my foolish heart.
Oh.
Turn my foolish heart.
Turn it, yeah.
Turn my foolish heart.
Please believe it. Lord,
Turn my foolish heart. Not
don't wanna break it.
don't mean I love you.
See someone else who can
Not
make it.
because I'm kind, don't
But
really
I
say.
turn you right
Because I'm
around.
good, don't mean I need
Turn you right around, girl.